Finding the perfect stage for your home can significantly impact its final sales price. While the comps, features, and conditions play a vital role in negotiations, the perceived value during those critical moments can make all the difference. Elevating this perception requires strategic home staging. Here are 3 tips to ensure that you get the most of your sale. Number 1, declutter and depersonalize. Create a clean canvas for potential buyers to tidy up by removing personal items. Clear the space of family knickknacks and photos, allowing buyers to envision the home as their own. Consider donating or storing unnecessary items to open rooms and make them more inviting. Tip number 2, highlight key features. Ensure your home's standout features take center stage. Arrange furniture and choose decor to emphasize these selling points, setting your property apart from the competition. By directing the buyer's attention to key amenities, you enhance the overall appeal and value of your home. Number 3, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Appeal to the senses by considering the smells and the lighting of your home. Aim for a warm, inviting atmosphere that evokes feelings of softness and comfort and warmth. This ambiance allows potential buyers to connect emotionally with the space, making it easier for them to envision themselves enjoying and living in the home. If you have more questions or need personalized advice on staging your home for maximum impact, feel free to reach out to me. I'm Miranda, the Texas Queen of Real Estate. Let's transform your home into a captivating showcase that fetches the best possible sales price.